Hey and welcome back to Spiral Fashion. My name is Aniela and today we're gonna sew shorts. It will be the third part of sewing for men or boys. To sew this short, I use exactly the same fabric I use for sewing the jacket. You can see the similarity of the pattern. Of course, you can use different type of fabric. You can write in the comments what type of fabric you use to sewing these shorts. And of course, for my blog subscribers, I have prepared a PDF pattern in 8 sizes on my site spiralfashion.com. And subscribing my blog is totally free, so don't worry about that. If you have any question, write in the comments. And like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And let's begin the fun! Cut front twice, back twice, and pocket 4 times. If you want to add pocket like me, measure from waistline, 8 centimeters down. Place the pocket on the front piece, right sides together, and pin it in place. And sew. Because sewing pockets is optional, I decided I will give you in description box more detailed tutorial how to sew them to any pants or shorts, so you can find the link in description box. And remember to sew all the pockets in the same way. Place the front and back pieces right sides together and pin them along the sides. Pin them from top to bottom. And sew with straight stitch. Don't forget to finish rough edges with zigzag stitch or overlock stitch. Repeat the steps on the other side of the shorts. And once step is ready, don't forget to sew the second part of the short exactly the same way. Once stitched, place both short pieces right side up and lay them flat. Place the shorts right sides together and pin along the crotch, front to front and back to back. And sew with straight stitch. Don't forget to finish rough edges with zigzag or overlock stitch. Once the crotch is sewn, lay the short flat and align the leg seams. It's good to start pinning from the center, matching the seams to each other's. You can use pins or clips like me. And sew with straight stitch. crotch and inside seams are ready. So now it's time for next step. You can finish the rough edges of short hem classic way, fold twice, pin and sew, or you can try this new method. Fold the bottom 5 cm up. And then again fold inside 1 cm and pin all the way around. And sew with straight stitch right on the top, all the way around the hem. And of course repeat the process on the other leg too. You can finish the hemming of your shorts in this step, or you can level it up as me. So watch and see how it look, what type of hemming of shorts you would prefer. Pinch fabric and as you see fold bit like 1 centimeter from the wrong side. Fold, fold, fold and press with iron. Give it a strong press all the way around with exactly the same length. Repeat the same process all the way around with patience and slowly. Fold and press, keeping the exactly same length. turn right side out. And now it's time for final process. It's sewing on right on the side seams, inside and on outside seam here. And outside here. Repeat exactly same process on the other side of your shorts leg. Sew with straight stitch and back stitch. And your hem, short hem, is ready. Now it's time for your waistband. It's totally optional, but you can add some cute eyelets to your waistband to have some cute and funky drawstrings. Sewing waistband is super easy. Fold top edge 1 centimeter and again fold whole waistband by 7 centimeters. And pin in place. Repeat the process all the way around your waistband. After you will finish pinning, you can sew the waistband all the way around, but don't forget to leave a 5 centimeter gap for later to thread your elastic through. Cut elastic length of your waist circumference and the width of 3 centimeters. After sewing, is really good to press your waistband flat. With help of safety pin, thread your elastic through waistband casting all the way around till you reach again the opening. with zigzag stitch or box stitch, sew all the way around and close to ends of elastic. Close gap with straight stitch and top stitch while stretching elastic slightly all the way around our waistband. Stretch the waistband and sew a straight stitch, and again repeat the process right below or in the center. And shorts are ready! Enjoy your new pair of great shorts! As you see, they are cozy, comfy, have elastic waistband, and of course they have pockets. Write me in the comment, what do you think about them? Will you make them? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you soon in next video. Happy sewing!